Hey everyone, welcome to my floor storage system. The reason I've got a floor storage system is because I used to have some hooks in my wardrobe, but they all broke because they was those crappy 3M Command plastic hooks. So today I'm going to sort them out with some nice metal hooks, and then all this stuff that's on my floor storage system can go and hang up where it was before on my wardrobe door. I've had 3 sets of them break now. I've already replaced the middle one with a metal hook, and now what I want to do is replace these other 2 with some hooks. I bought these little puppies here off Temu, 10 of them for $10. They're a bit smaller than what I've liked. You can see they're smaller than the one that's already there, but this one here, I can't remember, it was $10 for one of them or something ridiculous. So I didn't want to pay that much, so that's alright. We'll do 2 of these either side, a bit smaller, but they'll be fine. They'll hold some, you know, t-shirts, something like that. So I'm just going to remove this one here. I'm going to sand those ridges flat where I painted around the command hooks, give a quick coat of paint on the door, and then attach these little hooks from Temu. Alright, so I've painted that. I've used waterborne enamel, which is what the doors are originally painted for. It's a hard wearing paint, and if I was going to really do the job properly, I should have taken the doors off and given the whole door a whole new coat, but that's too much like hard work. So we've just painted the patches where I pulled off the old hooks, replaced that hook there, and now I've marked my spots for my 2 other hooks, so now I'm just going to drill them and screw them in place. I always like to just screw in one screw first before I drill the hole for my second one, just so I can kind of line them up with my iometer and get them looking good. Right, done. Got a bit of paint on the hands, but unlike most of the times I get a paintbrush out, I don't seem to have got any on my face or on my legs, so that's also good. Now if we just stand back, if I just click my fingers for the housework fairies, there we go. Now, that's great. Instead of being all over the floor, my wardrobe is hung nicely on the inside of my wardrobe door. Okay, just a short and sweet video today, but if you enjoyed that content, please like and or subscribe, and we'll see you here next time on Master of None NZ.